Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today's Civil 3D. Today video is about how to create pipe network. Already I have made video on the pressure network. Today I will make pipe network creation. This is introduction video. In this we will see how we will create the pipe networks, how we will create its parts, how it will look in the profile. First I will show you how it's looking when you finish this. As you can see, first we are creating this line like this. If you check here, it's not a network, it's only polyline from polyline. But to understand the network, I just want to show you this line. So this is the complete pipe network per side, and then we attach this as an external reference to this side. This is our new side, so we will make this network here. So from the start, what we need basically, today video is that on that topic. Then we will start to create the pipe network, its parts, how to create the manhole. But to understand this thing, if you I zoom this one, this the manhole showing, this the water flow direction. The detail is here, the number of manhole, ground level, inward level, this mid. You can specify anything here. This is the distance between the top and the inward level, the coordinate, then the dia of the pipe, the length, total center to center, slope, the V velocity meter per second, inward level, the other two. So these the thing we will discuss later. This line, every line should be separate name so that anyone can explain very well. Okay. After that, I will come to this one here, where we will start video. The first thing you need to do is to draw a cross section. This cross section is like this, where you can see here is the road, but I just took this picture so you will understand well from the here. As you can see, this is the sanitary sewer line and this is a stone line. Stone line is usually used for the water on the road and sanitary from houses there. So first of all, you should draw a typical section in which you will explain or you will show on which side where how many distance from the center line your utilities will be. As you can see from this typical section, many things, many utilities are explained very well here from this curved stone. If I zoom this one, as you can see, in this cross section we can see this the storm line between these 4 meter from this curved stone. Then the other case, telecom, MV, anything LV, this they specify the space for which they will draw this line. So like this, first of all you should draw a typical section in which it's mentioned. On the other side you can see storm, water, MV, sphere like this, in which it is mentioned on which side your utility line will pass. So like here you can see, then you can draw a line. Suppose this is our curved stone, so on the right side or on the left side the utility line will pass. So like this you can draw, you can understand from the typical section which on which side your utility line will be passed. Okay, let's come to the our main thing here. If I have this alignment and profile already, I have created, this is the surface. If I want to create here the pipe network, I will go to home tab. From the home tab, I will go to pipe network and the pipe network creation tool. When I click here, as you can see, is asking for the name. Uh, Already we saw there on this road, every line have a different name. So let's say this line 01, network name 901. With the road, with road 01. This is the description. So anyone who will see this drawing, he will understand this line 1 is passing with the net road 1. Okay, next thing, network part list. Network path list, if I check here, there are three network path lists: the sanitary, standard, and storm saver. If I click here and I check here inside, there is different type of pipes. The PVC pipe, the style, the rule, the rendering here. So we need to understand sometimes if you don't have the pipe you are using in your drawing, but you don't have how you will create your pipe list, part list like this. So today video is an introduction and how to create a part list on this one. Okay, and the structure, this pipe we have only PVC pipe, polyvinyl chlorine like this pipe, and normally I use this pipe from the one cage basin to another cage basin, the cage basin to cage basin or cage basin to a manhole. This pipe I already use. The HDP pipe we use there is when we shifting water from the river to manhole like this, we are using that pipe because the HDP pipe are more stronger than the UPVC pipe. So it's depending on the situation. Then the structure, when you come here, you can see here the construction cylindrical structure and the center cylindrical structure. If you check here, there are the manhole, there are the type of manhole as you can see here. So they are here the dia and the frame here you can see. So okay, so already these things are here, but we will create our own network part. Now for now, just for introduction, I will take this line. The layer, you can create your separate layer, as you know. Surface name, if you don't know your surface name, just click on the green box and select the surface you want to know. Alignment name, if you don't know, because only we have only one alignment, so I will select. The structure label, uh, there are many structure label. Pipe label, there are many pipe label. We will create it, we will attach this to our. Let's start from this one. When I click OK, this dialog box appear. Has is appear in alignment, in design, like here. So the first thing here is the pipe network properties. When we create it, you will see property. From here, if you select the wrong surface, you can select the surface from here. Then the next thing, the same like here, select alignment. Here, the part list, you will see. From here, already what we selected is showing here, as you can see. So showing here. Then the part, the PVC pipe, which one suppose I'm using this manhole, and I am starting from the 100 PVC pipe. Here, these are the same thing. We saw here. We will discuss this one by one. And when I click here, you can see I have a continuous command. So let's start. It's starting from the 50. Then the next manhole is on the 100, and the next manhole is on the 150. Okay. Now as you can see, already it's created the style, pipeline, and again from here you can adjust the scale. But what will happen, your profile scale will also adjust. So for that, just click on the manhole, right click, go to the network properties, and from here, from the sanitary part, sorry, this one. Just click on the structure property. The network, it will appear here all the networks for structure property, and from here, as you can see, this is the style for the structure manhole. So just check here and just go to the model and plan. In plan we are seeing this one, so it's the meter, the size is here. Just reduce the size here, and the display, if the color is not looking clear, just change the style here. And as you can see, when I click apply, the style for this manhole also change. You can change the pipeline also from the pipe property. Just go to the pipe property. From here you can draw the double single line. As is the double, you can select the single line, but just go from here. And from the property, if you don't see the line clear, just select this one and this line also, and click apply. Okay, now as you can see, the line and the manhole are clear to see. Okay, if you want to see how it will look like, just select this one. From here, just object viewer, just click, and from the side, as you can see, it created a 3D view also. Okay, from here, so if you want to see this in the profile, just click, select this all, select similar. You can use select all, or just select one and select similar, and then draw a part in the profile view from here, or you can use this one, draw a part in the profile view. So just select the profile where you want to add this one, click on the profile, and here you can see it's appear here. I will also change the properties from here. From the display here in the profile, as you can see, the color is light, so it will not clear, you will not see it. So I am changing the color from here. Also for file properties, just check in the profile. So in the profile, I want to see it's a green color and green color. Now I click apply, you can see here it's visible here. So if you continue to create line, it will make like this. So this was the little introduction about the uh, pipe network, how you can create, how you can use the dia for the pipe here, pipe dia, the manhole selected here. So it was the just introduction video about the manhole pipeline. Okay, now let's create our own part list. If I want to create our own part list, there are two places from where you can create your own part list. From here, if you right click on the design, create new network part list from here, or you go to setting, and this here, as we know from the pipe network, there is part list here. From the pipe style, you can change the pipe style, but from network here, as you can see, part list. From here, one is sanitary, as we saw there, standard and stamp. If you want to create a new one, just click on here and go to create part list. In the create part list, when you came here, just in the information, write my part list, my sanitary part list. Okay, just go to the pipe. Here you can see no pipe appear here. So just right click here and add family, part family. So this part get like that. You will select which size of pipe you need. A concrete pipe, ductile pipe, UVC, HDPE. So uh, this also a type of pipes. So let's say we need UPVC pipe, So I click here, it's appear here, and I need HDPE file. I will click OK, and it's both appear here. Okay, from here uh, you don't have the type of file, so here add file size. Right click on this and add file size. You can select one by one. From here, as you can see, there are the wall thickness already mentioned here, the inner pipe dia, the pipe here, everything appear here. So inner pipe dia, if you click here, there are alerts of inner pipe dia. You can select here and you can click OK. So when you click OK, it will add to this one only. So like this you can click and add one by one, or just go and add here and add all sizes from here, and it's okay, and at all sizes will add to this pipe. Now same process, add part size to the HDPE pipe, high density polyethylene pipe. This is the shortcut from HDPE. So just click on the pipe. You can create add one by one, or you can add all sizes from here. Just click and then OK. Okay, from here uh, you can select the style. Suppose from the PVC pipe, if I want to change the double line to single line, just you can select from here. If you can, one by one, you can change from here one by one, or at once you can select the all here and select one. Suppose this is double line sanitary, single line sanitary. If you want to select in all, just select this one, and as a whole it will change one time. Okay, for the next DP file, the same process. If you want to change here, just single sanitary, and just okay, and it will change to the at once. You don't need to change one by one. Okay, if I want to add the structure, already there is a one null structure here showing here. So just go and select the null for this one, because this is null, so I will select null for it. If I want to add in more parts family, here I will right click, what type of file, what type of manhole you need, just select from here. Let's take for one from here and one from here. Okay, I select the two, and as you can see, if I add this part one, one, one I will select from this part, and one I select from this part, and then OK. And now it's, as you can see, it's appear here. When it's appear here, just right click and add part sizes. The same process. Select all from here is wall thickness. If you want to select wall thickness all here, it will attach here floor thickness. So what you want, just select this one, the frame diameter. If you want to select all, just click here, or if you don't want to select all, just select here one by one what size you need, the frame diameter, frame height, or if you want to add all, just select all and click OK. Okay, it will take time because I add also, or we need to add just one or two. As you can see, all are added here. Same like cylinder, you can select one by one. So let's add one or two here. Okay, just add here one or two, and it will be we are not too much too many. It will add it here. So like this, just click and apply and OK. And like this you can add the your own part, my sanitary part, when you are creating. Now if I go here to create a new file, you will see here the my new sanitary part here. If I select here and open, you will see alerts up. I deleted the old line because starting a new uh, pipe network, we must set the standard, the rule for the pipe and the manhole. If I go to the setting in the pipe, you can see there is pipe in the pipe. If I open, there is in the second one, the first was the pipe as we built it, parts of the pipe style like this one from here. The second one is pipe rule, and also in the structure. If you go to the structure, the second one is the rule set for the structure also. If I open the one, the pipe rule, the basic or the standard, anyone, if I open here, you can see this the information and the rule. If I the cover and slope and the length check, cover and slope, the how much should be the cover of the pipe from the inward level to the design surface. And the next thing is the length check. In the cover and slope, there is minimum slope. How much must be the minimum slope between the pipe when it's when you drawing a network? How much must be the minimum slope between the pipe and uh, the maximum slope, and then the minimum cover and the maximum cover. Okay. The next thing is the length check. Length check between the two manhole, and the minimum length is the 1 meter pipe. Normally, generally we have 6 meter pipe length for UPVC or HDPE pipe, but it depending also depending on the factory how much length there. So you will know from the you can get this information from the factory. Normally, generally it's 6 meter length. So like this we will set a standard rule for the pipe, and also if I check here the standard rule for the manhole, for the manhole there is a maximum pipe size check and maximum pipe diameter or width. So this for the manhole pipe drop across structure. So drop reference, this pipe drop reference is we always take the inward level. There is option crown center line, but we take the inward level drop value below the pipe and maximum drop value, this one. So these things should be checked before drawing anything. Setting this rule for one. So how you will set your own rule for this. Just click on the pipe, and the pipe just click on the pipe rule out and right click and create new. If you want to create new, add rule, and you want to add for the storm saver or the sanitary, anything you can, because these thing which you using, you must set the parameter alongside here. So if you set here what you need according to your specification of the drawing, you can set the data here. And also for the structure, if I click here and the structure rule, right, and click here new and add rule, and here as you can see for the storm sewerage, you can select the rule name. There are rule name and some maximum pipe size check, the pipe drop across structure, they set some depth. So you can add like this. When you click add, it will appear here, and then you can edit this one from here. So like this you can create your own structure rule and pipe rule. So uh, this was important thing before starting a new line. Okay, so let's start a new line. Suppose we have here the existing line passing here the existing line, and then we are creating a new line here. So I will draw a line here. Let's suppose these are the existing manhole, and I want to draw a line like this is a parallel to our road from here, from this point. So better I will create if I have corridor. I don't have corridor, so what will I do? I will create a corridor for the top surface, because here I must need the manhole to attach to this line, to design line, not to the natural ground line. So for that I will create a corridor, anything here, the main road, the design assembly. I will create quickly the corridor, this one. Okay, set all target surface, and then I will create a surface for what top. I will write top surface here, top, because the manhole connected to the asphalt, so I must create a top surface here. A top here I will create. I will add here as a baseline. From here I will top link. Then from the boundary I will add daylight, apply. Okay, so now I have top surface here, top surface to connect to the gel. The manhole will connect to that top surface. Okay, so let's start the first line. Let's this pipeline. I will create a pipeline here. The pipeline network. Suppose this the existing line. I will create existing line from the sanitary saver. Surface name. This surface is from existing, because we don't have surface here. Alignment, we don't have alignment. Let's set the data connect from sanitary. For the sanitary I will select, and here I am using in the plan, so I will have plan. And now I will start. Let's start from anyone here in the any file. I will select the center line here, and it's passing like this one. Okay, so this is the line passing here, the existing line. We don't need to show this one in the profile. As you can see, when I selected and created a new line, here the sanitary saver, the partless from the sanitary saver, the surface, the existing surface, and here alignment none. It's showing the alignment from here. So what will I do now? I will create a new line here. So first of all, I will if you want to change the scale for this one, because the label are too much bigger. So if you want to adjust, you just go to the label properties, click here, and edit label properties. From the properties here you can change the plan name only. If you want the name only here, null for nothing here. So like this you can change the property, or you can change the size of the text. Later on we will check this one. So okay, so let's start a new line here, please, for our proposed line. I will create a new line, so I will write here the line -01, new line. For creation I will write this network description, this road 01, sanitary saver, this one, the layer, surface name, the top surface, of this road. I will follow the top surface of this road. I will hide this surface, because when I am creating the line it will disturb me, so I will hide this surface, the alignment, and the main road alignment. The so Before creating, I turn on the surface and gel the corridor. So now the lane I move little bit inside this one. So from this point I will start the line here. So let's start the line. I will go to the home tab, then go to the pipe network. In the pipe network, create pipe network, this one. Let's say this line is 01. Okay, my sanitary work part list, the surface, top surface here, the alignment name, main road. This already the label selected, so you can click here, and from inside you can change anything you want to, incoming, outgoing pipe, there or anything. So you can adjust the text, what thing you don't want you can move, or and insert from here. Just go inside and you can add many things from here what you want. So the other thing in the pipe label, this is the structure label, this is the pipe label, also similar you can add. So let's start. When I click OK, this dialog box appear. In this dialog box I have, if I did not select the pipe network, so I can select pipe network here. This is the surface alignment, this is the part list from here. As you can see, this is showing the line number 1. The part list is my sanitary. The top surface alignment showing from here. So I will select here the connection 1, or by default this one. From here this pipe only, or pipe and structure both. So I can start from the pipe only, or I can create a pipe and structure both. This showing the direction of the slope. Suppose this, as you can see the direction from this one. So if the water will go outside from this pipe line, so you must keep the same slope, or if water will go downside, you must change this direction arrows now. This you can delete the structure, and this is the detail of the pipeline and manhole, slope, showing slope and water level, many things. So I will just click from the pipe and here. Let's start from this one, or this area. Let's start from the manhole, this one. Let's suppose I am creating here, and then create here one manhole. Okay, now just let's escape. As you can see, so you can adjust by dragging this manhole to any station. You can adjust some. Also the label you can drag, the pipe detail. Here you can see meter of 75 mm PVC pipe at the rate 2.05 slope. Also this label, oh, sorry, I select the manhole also. So just click on this one and just move this label. Okay, the next thing here, if you want to draw this pipe in the profile, what should you do? Just select these both, select the similar, so it will select the third pipeline also, the manhole. Then just right click here from this draw path in the profile view, or from here draw path in the profile view, select draw profile view and just click here, and as you can see it's appear here. It's appear here. As you if you don't see clear this one, just click here, go to the style, and from here this plan, just change to the profile, and from here what color you want. Let's this turn up, so center line turn up, so I will do for next one, this one, and which is turn on. I'll change this one and apply. Okay, Same like you can create for the manhole also, but manhole is looking good, so I will leave manhole just like this. Okay, the next thing, if you want to add another manhole here, what should you do? Select, already we are in this side. If I close this one, suppose this was I close this one, just click here on anything here, and network properties, just and network property here, edit pipe network. This is the property, it will show the property edit pipe network, and again it will appear the dialog box, same dialog box will appear here, and as you can see also this one. So you can change from here what you want. Suppose I want to start a 90 center, and this one already is here. So when I click here, as you can see, there is a sign for connection. So I also showing the center. So just click and it will connect. It will connect. Just click on the next here. So movies are now, as you can see, this pipeline and manhole added in the profile, but this the other one manhole number, the structure 23 or anything in 250. So just select, there are two methods, just select these two which are not included in the profile, and just I will show you here, or we'll divide the into horizontal 2 is better. Okay, I will zoom this one here and this plan. Okay, so these there are two methods how you can add this manhole and this pipeline. The same process, just right click, draw and profile view, just click here and click on the profile view. It's added here. One method is that one. The next method, I will control Z. Okay. And the second method, I will zoom like this. Just click here on the profile. I will unselect this one. Just select the profile here and go to the profile view property. When you go to the profile view property, there is a pipe network option here. From the pipe network option, you can see draw. So in draw, there are this existent already I have made, so I will not change this one. This is line number one. I will close this one. This is line number one. Name that. So here, as you can see, this line 90 mm UPVC pipe is not draw in the this profile. So I will just tick this one, click apply, and okay. And as you can see, okay. This now the profile, the manhole did not appear here. So select the structure also and click apply, and then okay. And as you can see, both manhole and pipe appear here in the profile view. So like this you can create, you can draw, and you can create the pipe parts in your profile and plan and profile. So now after adding this new manhole, uh, what should we do? We need a label here in the plan. Already we put labels here. So if you want to put in the profile, what should you do? And to put the label in the profile, we must we can do it by one, or at all at the same time. So I will not put one by one, I will create label for all. So for that, the home tab, go to the invoice, and wait, after here the add label, just click here. When you click here in the feature, select the pipe network, because we are working on the pipe network. Here the label, entire plan, because we are working in entire profile. So I will select entire profile. From here the pipe label. This pipe label is talking about this pipe. I will zoom in. So it's talking for the pipe label. So this profile length, it will show the profile length inside one. You can see from here. It will show us. You can zoom this one here, and it will corrugated metal length like this station pipe R from the inside. You can select here. It will you see the 2D length. There is the 2D length and the description. You will see only. You can add anything you want. You can add from here. If you don't like what is here, you can replace or change, or you can add anything new you want. So from here the text size anything. So the next thing is the structure label. Structure label mean the manhole label. What we will see here in the manhole. The structure name, station, rim, some in what level like this. So if you want same like this one, the sample deviation, there are many things. According to your need, what you want to specify in your drawing, you can add from here. Okay. So the crossing pipe label, we don't have any crossing pipe, so we will not add anything here, and then click X. Now it asking for select part in the profile view, any one part of the profile view. Suppose I will click here, and now you can see the structure 21. This name here, offset from right side, the rim elevation, sump elevation, inward out, and the reinforcement concrete. Okay, so if I click on the label, you can see it's the label for this manual. So you can attach like this, or control Z if you want to be like this as well. Your choice. The next thing here, the label is on exactly above the pipe, as you can see here. So you can right click here, right click and go to R here, because if we put this label here, so just go inside this one. From the offset you can see this y offset is 2 meter. You can zoom this one. This offset is 2 meter. Offset 2 meter mean is above plus value 2. So if you put -2, it will go below, or -5. Let's say -5, the below the 5. Plus value will go above. So let's check this one. Minus value, as you can see below. If you like this, it's good. If you don't like, put the plus value here, just 5, and then check what will happen. As you can see, which one you want, you can put the label on the pipe. If it's looking good like this, you can below. It's also better for the manhole. Also you can change from here the connection point middle like this one. So you can add label to your profile, whole profile like this. Okay, the next thing, if you want to add a new manhole here, sometime we need to add manhole here, sometime we need to change the pipe. I will close this one, the pipe description here. If I want to change the PVC pipe to HDP pipe like this, first of all let's check the how to add a new manhole in this line, or in this line. If I want to add, I will click here. From here I will go to edit pipe network. When I go to edit pipe network, it's open the line 1, my sanitary part list, top service. If everything is okay, then just go here, and from pipe only select the structure only. So I want to add here, suppose before, as you can see there are 2. Let's okay, I will insert here the new one. Let's say in the middle. If it doesn't open, click here, objects, click, select all. Okay. Now as you can see the boxing sign, the boxing glove sign, press here and press enter, and now you can see it's added a new manhole here. a new manhole here. When I see above here, it's also got this in this place also. Okay, the next thing, uh, if I want to change the pipe, suppose from this side I want to change the pipes size, pipe DP pipe like this. Just click on the pipe, go to save part, select the save part. Now, as you can see here, the dia, you can select the dia. Or if you want to add HDP pipe corrugated, suppose I want to change this one. Before this is UPVC pipe 75. I want to add 90 mm HDP pipe. Just click OK, and now you can see change here. It's also dynamically change here. So it's mean the Civil 3D when you change one thing automatically, it's change to other also. Okay. The next thing, if I want to change, suppose manhole, this manhole is existing. Let's check the first thing here. This was for the existing one. This also we created a new, but it is existing one. So if I want to change the label, this structure 21, I don't like structure 21. Just click here, control 1. This for the property. So click on your manhole, and here you can see this is the structure. I will write existing manhole, and then press enter, and now you will see in the label this existing label. So it's mentioned here, it's very clear now. But as I go to the plan, and here also in the profile, the same sign for the as for the new one, from for the proposed one also is for the existing one. So it's better to change in the view in both the plan and profile, so anyone who will see this one, he will understand. Okay, so for that I will click on the manhole. I will go to the structure property. From here, as you can see, information in the information tab, this is existing manhole. I check here, this is basic cage basin player section here. Okay, if you don't have anyone, this is suppose this one, just take here, create copy from the current selection, and create for storm this one, just create for the existing one here, for the existing one. Just go to the plan, and the plan, okay, this storm manhole, you can change in the this one from this black name here, the size, so display in plan it's looking white. So this say when it is existent, it will look like this one, or it will look like this one. You can use any color. In the profile, I also want it shows like if it is existing. In the section, we don't need model or section, and click apply and OK. Just apply and OK. Now as you can see here, it's changed. You can change the dash line, anything, and as you can see here, it's also changed. So now if anybody will see this one, he will understand this manhole is different from the other one. So it's something here. If I check the label, it's existing. Okay, so let's today check if we want to change the elevation of the pipe or manhole, or how we can adjust if some pipe crossing another pipe crossing our suppose this is the sanitary pipe. So if the storm drainage water pipe stop crossing this line, so how we will show in our profile. First of all, I will hide this corridor. I will select and then control 1, so it will not show in our profile plan. Then I will, this line must be in dark color, so we will see our pipeline clearly. So now, okay, there are something you must know about the pipe, and if you click here on the any manhole there are two options. Here in this point showing the if you can see, you can rotate from here this one. The other point is location, you can see when you click you can move forward or backward. Here you can adjust like this and you can rotate like this from these 2 points, this one then another one. Okay, if I go to the properties, the profile properties are none. Suppose I want to adjust the this as you can see in the profile, this pipe is very above then very below from the surface, because I did not set something. We just practice it, but sometimes we don't want to excavate too much volume, too much. We want to excavate minimum 3 meter or like this. If we want to adjust this, and if we want to adjust in what level, how we will adjust this thing. Okay, so first thing, manually you want to change manually, or you want to change from the property. Let's zoom out this one. Okay, if I want to change this one, just click here on the pipe. Just go to the pipe properties. In the property is the information, this property and this rule. Minimum cover is avoided here. As you can see, it's explaining that minimum cover is violated here. So it's mean that this near to our surface. So what will I do here? I will go here. As you can see, the start end to end, the flow direction from start to end surface. You can change here. You can change alignment from this point. The next point, this start to end or end to start. You can change this one from here. Top surface. You click here, when you can click go inside and you can change here. Here, as I can see there, the slope is minus 2.5%. If you will increase this one, because start to end this one minus and from this side is plus showing this one. So let's say it's minus 3%. Click apply, and now as you can see here, the still it's there, but you can adjust like this. As I change the slope, as you can see now it's below. From here, the start invert elevation, this invert elevation you can change. Suppose if I want to 669, just click here and apply. As you can see now, this go above. Same like the other pipe. Here end elevation, this end elevation you can change. Crown elevation, this crown the top. I will show you where is this one. The start central line elevation, there are central line here. The other thing, hydraulic properties, this from which point it's rotating our pipe. So it's using, generally we are using the invert level. Okay, this everything, this pipe is now okay. So I will this for the other one, I will just click here this pipe and just go to the pipe property, the same like here. I will change the invert level because it's too much down, so let's say 667, and just I click, it's too much above, so you must check here the elevation. 665, now it's looking good. 665.5 will be better. Okay, the end elevation also I will put here. You can put the elevation or just put the slope. So for the slope, if I put 3%, because there is the grade is more, so I'm using this. So 3% is 3.5. Now it's looking better. So okay, so the next file, I will click on the next file here, and from the properties I will just change this one. 664, let's say 664, 66 661, 662, 663, No, it should be down 663.5, 662.5. You can adjust like this, and the slope must be 3.5 or like this, the same slope, so it will be like this. Okay, now as you can see, the pipe is looking better, but what happened, the manhole. So I can, the same process, I can change the from the structure properties of the manhole, this property bar pipe. So I will close this one, just select the one manhole, and here it's looking good. The other one I will change this one. So let's go to the structure property, and from the property there is information, part property, connection, everything is shown here, catchment, rule. So from this point, if I expand this bar, you can see the top surface, it's the elevation from the top surface. Here this surface, reference surface alignment is the coordinate, surface adjustment value. Surface adjustment value is 0, so that's why it's using this one. If I want to change this value, just click apply. Okay, because as you can see, this taking the deviation from the surface, this one. So if you don't want this one, then you can see 0 0. If I put some value, let's say adjustment surface, and it will move like this 10 cm above. So per cover, it's we left this per cover like this one. So if you don't like, just put pause here and put your own value here. You can put your own value. The next thing is some behavior, the depth. You can change anything here. From this point, the wall thickness, many things you can adjust like this. Now it's looking better. This one also, if I want to change the properties for the structure, just go here, and from the, as you can see, the value from is taken from the rim behavior, this taken from surface adjustment value, this surface adjustment. Just click apply, and it will take the, okay, if it is not taking, just put the value, pause here, and just put this value here, 664.491. I click apply, and now as you can see, sometimes because we change the note level, so that's from for the rule we set, it's following the rule. So the one method was like this, you can adjust your pipe by going to the properties of the pipe property and structure property. You can adjust the slope, the invert level. Suppose the existing invert level is above 670, so you just go to the here the pipe first, and the for the pipe, just click on the pipe, go here, and from the properties here, just change the invert level. Suppose this is 667, this is 670, 670, just put here, and it will move to the 670. So like this you can adjust according to. Okay, so after that, if we have pipe here, some other network pipe crossing this line, so how we will show this in the profile, and how we will check the interface, if they are the distance between these two are okay, or they are intersecting someplace, they are same elevation, they are passing through same elevation, so this would be the problem. So let's check this one, how to check. First of all, I will draw a stamp line here. So let's divide the screen into two horizontal or two vertical, we can use both. Let's check the vertical. In one I will zoom the plan, in one I will zoom the profile. In this area I will draw. So for that, first of all, I will create a stamp. Let's create a stamp line. First, this is our sanitary. So the next one we will create a stamp. So I will write from line A01. From here I will select the stamp saver top surface that is connecting. We did not put a rule or something, so it will be, I don't know where it will become, but this one practice. So the main road alignment, it's not parallel with the alignment, so we don't need this one. The stamp data will connected by the stamp and the essence to the plan. So okay, and here from here this select the one on the first number here in the pipe, anything here select already. And in this area, let's say in this area I cross a pipeline here. As you can see, I created but it's not showing here. Also I will adjust the station, it does not show because I did not select the alignment for that one. So the elevation is mentioned here, as you can see the elevation. Okay, so first of all let's check this. If you want to change this to cage basin, this is head wall, cage basin is here, main hole. From here you can change the size. It will shows like when you click apply, it will show like the cage basin. I did not select this one. Let's select this one, go to the property, and here select cage basin, apply. Okay. Now so this one also, so it will be a little bit clear. Now if I want to show this pipe on the profile, I just click on the, I will close this one, click on the pipe and go to draw part in the profile, select the profile, and now as you see it's showing, but it's showing a line, simple line. It must be like the pipe. If you know the pipe, if we cut this section, it must be like this, not like one line. So to make this line as a pipe, just click here or click on the profile and go to the profile view property. From here, as you can see, this line 1 and this line, existing line, we are not working on this, we are working on stamp line. So this pipe, as you can see, there is double line style, the style. And here if I check the style override, I will select the pipe crossing pipe, okay, apply. And now as you can see, this the in the shape of the pipe. The next thing, if you want to put the label on it, just go to the innovate table, and here select the pipe, here the single part plan, single part profile, not in plan. Here the profile and description, you can change the anything from here. The structure label, we need pipe label style, we don't need the structure label. Actually we need the pipe, not the structure. So we don't need this one, we need profile, length and description. Okay, crossing pipe, if you want to put crossing pipe main station, it will be the same, like it will, where is passing it will show. So add and just select this one and close this one, and now you can see this the detail, and this the crossing of the pipe, where it was crossing like 36 of 100 meter pipe, and the detail same like the in the plan, as you can see here. And this is the station, the type elevation, where is crossing bottom elevation. So this is the detail, you can put the labels, anyone who will see he will understand. Okay, now this is also a dynamic. If you move this to right and left, it will move with this one. If you move here, it will dynamically change the position, because in Civil 3D everything is connected to each other. So let's go to the single now. let's say uh, we want to check if there is a gap between these two, enough gap that we can pass this one or not. So just select the first line, then click on the interference check and select it asking for another pipe pass. I select this one, so next select this line here, give any name, check dash 01. Line 1 network 1 is in the some line. This one we are checking the interference style. If there is interference, it will show some style. You can check it from here, how it will be display, like color here, anything. So also you can see in the plan 3D proximity check criteria. Okay, I want to say whether the use resistance 2 meter. If it is between 2 meter, okay, more than 2 meter, okay. If it is not, then it must show the interference, okay, and click OK. So it says the interference check recreated number of 0, because if you can see here the distance is more than 2 meter. This 670 664, and here if you come to the prospector in the pipe network, there is interference, and here you can see check 01, nothing found here. Okay, and also here they are showing which pipe are crossing each other. Okay, and let's move this pipe to distance here, and now you can see here this the check interference check is become yellow. So when it become yellow, if you check the plan, there is nothing before. Now just right click and return rerun interference, and then it's found one because it's less than 2 meter, and there is a sign for the interference showing that there is a problem when they are passing in this area. They are intersecting each other, and the minimum distance is less than 2 meter. Because I put 2 meter, so it will show you if there is a problem. It will show if there are, just move this down again here, and now I will zoom this line here. Now as you can see, it's a rerun, and this say 0, it's a move. So like this you can check the interference if they are intersecting each other, like so. So this was the video about the sanitary pipe. Like this you can create the storm drainage pipe. It's including the manhole catch basin. Generally the manhole are near here and catch basin outside the, so catch basin are directly connected through the UPVC pipe to manhole. They are collecting water, and then here in this place or this place there is manhole. So water are gathering in manhole, and they are then going through the pipe outside, where from where it is going to outside the area of the road. So hopefully you will practice on this video what you learn, what we discuss here. Okay, so this was